How to link booking.com to Airbnb. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to link booking.com to Airbnb. In order to link booking.com to Airbnb, you have to follow the steps. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your Airbnb application and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the home page, you want to go to booking. Then you want to under booking, you want to click on sync calendar. Once you click on sync calendar, in the left hand side bar, you could see the ratio and all that. So you want to click on the link that appears in the top. So click on that, or click on all the links that you've actually booked. Then next thing what you want to do is go ahead and click on it. After which you want to go ahead and add it to your booking.com. So to further add the calendar to the external platform, you'll need to copy the calendar's URL and paste it into the appropriate section in choose. So this way you'll be able to sync your booking.com with Airbnb. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.